Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today what we will be doing is we are going to be unboxing my Medusa's makeup box. So this month's box is, let's see here, does it have a theme? Spring, it's just a spring beauty box. It has 4 items in the box this month. Now the monthly subscription is $15. And the overall value of this month's box is $41.95. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into it and we're going to see what we have here. So the first thing that I see in the box is this Grapefruit Astringent vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free spray. These things I freaking love. They just make your skin feel so refreshed after using them. So this retails for $12.95. The next thing that we have in the box is this cosmetic highlighter. It doesn't have like a name to it other than it just being cosmetic highlighter. So we're gonna see what this looks like on. It looks super shiny and sparkly, so we'll see. Lots of glitter, that's for sure. Alright, so that highlighter really didn't do a whole lot, and it's got a crap ton of glitter. I think I would use it more for like an eyeshadow kind of shimmer than I would for a highlight. Not a fan of that as a highlight at all. But that does retail for $10. So the next thing we have is this eye dust in Pretty Pink. This retails for $8. Now I already have eye makeup on today, so I won't be putting this on, but I will at least swatch it for you. Maybe. As you can see, it is just a very shiny, iridescent kind of pink. It's pretty though, so I'm sure I will eventually use it for something. I just don't know yet what it will be. And the last thing in the box is this Metal AF lip stick, or it says lip gloss, but it actually dries down matte. This is in the color Girls. This retails for $11. Now this looks like it is Barbie pink. Oh yeah. Alright, and that is what that looks like. So that is very metallic, very pink. Like I said, it dries down. This is actually a really comfortable formula. I own probably about 3 or 4 of these already in different colors. I really like it. Very metallic, as you can tell, and it has already dried down that quickly. It's not sticky formula or anything like that, so I really do like the Metal AF lip glosses, matte metallic lipsticks, whatever you want to call them. But that was all that was in this month's box for Medusa. Again, like I said, you were paying $15 for the box, and this month's box retailed for about $42, so you're definitely getting your money's worth with it. So I highly recommend looking into it if you do like very vibrant kind of colors, because that's pretty much what they go for in the majority of the products that they send out. And everything is animal and cruelty free and vegan free, so that is all very awesome for this brand to be. It is an indie brand, so I will link all the information down in the description box below for you so you can really look into it a little further. But I thank you for watching, and you have a great day.